Hello and welcome in this new tutorial for your Sefram data acquisition solution, DAS1600. In this video, we will show you how to use the CAN function. Firstly, to use the CAN function, it needs to be activated. Access to the setup menu to modify the option. Enter CAN LIN and restart your device. Access to the CAN configuration menu of the CAN mode. On this page, you can activate the different CAN channels, define the CAN bus speed, activate the CAN FG function, activate the silence mode, which enables to view only the CAN frames without sending any information to the CAN network, activate the 120 ohm termination, activate the 5-volt power supply. You can filter the CAN frames you want to view. There are 4 filters for each channel. You can also import a CAN DB file. To import a CAN DB file, press Open a CAN DB file and select the file wanted, then Validate. On the main CAN menu, you can view the CAN frames received by the device, freeze the screen, save the frames as CSV format, save the CAN configuration of your device as CSV format. One of the interests of the option is to convert the CAN channel in order to compare the digital signal to an analog signal from the standard universal card input. Access to the CAN converted channel. These channels are from B1 to D6 channel. Set the channel by using the same parameters you use for a classic analog channel. Set the scaling or a change of units. By pressing the visualization icon on the top of the screen, you can compare the two signals, converted digital signal and the analog signal. This tutorial is now over. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more videos.